This series of video addresses different technology obstacles in everyday law firms and our thoughts on how to overcome them. First, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell to ensure you see all of our videos on law firm technology talk. So in this video, we're going to talk about the 8th obstacle common to many law firms. Today, we're going to talk about market your law firm for free. This is creating a culture of referrals and tracking that with technology. So every law firm says the same thing. We want more referrals, but we either don't have time to figure it out or we don't know how to do it. It's a common problem, but it's easy to fix with millimeter shifts in your approach to gain referral business. Referrals cost your firm nothing or next to nothing. Now there's 2 types of referrals. There's professional referrals to your firm, and there's client, friends, and family referrals. So let's talk about professional referrals first. These are much more strategic in your approach. This is any professional that has synergy with your firm for mutual referrals back and forth. If you're doing estate planning, financial advisors are excellent sources of referrals. The question is, how do you gain these referrals? Well, develop a plan. So first, you can call their office and set up a meeting. Talk about what they do, what you do, and how you can help each other with your mutual clients. This is to find synergy with a professional. Also remember that you can decide who you want to work with. Not everybody is a good fit. Next, develop a top 5 list of professionals you want to work with. Schedule monthly lunches or coffee, connection meetings, joint seminars or webinars to promote both services. Don't waste your time with professionals who are sending you leads, but they are not engaging. Or have a conversation with them as to where the disconnect is that their clients aren't engaging with you after a consultation. This is choosing your professionals or nurturing a relationship. Maybe it's a miscommunication, or maybe their clients aren't a good fit for your firm. It's okay to have these conversations with your professional partners. I did this for the firm I worked in, and I always called it a professional friend maker for the attorney. I was in charge of ensuring these relationships were on track. So connect with your chosen referral partners once a month. These are called touches. It might just be an email saying, "Hi," or "How is your vacation?" Or it might be a conversation that is very direct. Do you have anyone who needs their estate planning done right now? Those are okay conversations, as long as you're giving referrals back. Also, remember to recommend people to them as well to ensure mutual relationships, mutual referrals, and a strong professional partner relationship. Also, get involved in community networking events, biz-to-biz, professional lunches, and any other networking event. Bring business cards. Don't be afraid to talk about what you do and listen to what they do. That is the point of a networking event. Also, set aside a little money to take your top 5 referral sources to lunch or coffee once in a while. This keeps your firm top of mind for the professionals you work with. Also, have a database like Lawmatics, Actionstep, or Clio that is managing your professional relationships for you with reminders, tasks, and automation. And then lastly, when you get invited to speak at events, or you see those opportunities, jump at them. This gets your firm's name out there. Now let's talk about clients and friends and family referrals. So how do you get these free referrals and create a culture where your clients, friends, and family are referring to your firm? First is create a culture of referrals in your firm. Yes, that's easier said than done. But this can be included in your closing letter to the client after their work is complete. Ask them to refer their friends and family. It's okay to ask because if they were happy with their service, they will want to recommend others to you. In your workshops, give a list of workshop dates and tell them to give those dates to their friends and family. There's a list of workshops in your packet, and as we go through the workshop today, you may think of things that would benefit somebody you know also, and you can give them that list of dates to attend our workshop as well. That's how you could phrase that. Also, just listen for opportunities. Many times clients will say that their neighbor is going through a horrible probate right now. Tell them to have their neighbor call you for a discussion if it can be done easier. It's okay to ask for referrals tastefully. To gain these referrals, you do need a standardized process. Everyone should get the same amazing customer service and experience. You don't want to have someone have an amazing experience and then the next person doesn't. So always standardize. This is done through systems and processes, which we talked about in a previous video, and a proper database like Lawmatics, Actionstep, or Clio to manage the process for you. And then lastly, in your closing letter, ask your clients who had work done by you to leave you a Google and Facebook review. Ask them to write a testimonial that you can put on your website. These are invaluable, and it's okay to ask. Obviously, if it was a very upset customer, maybe edit how you ask or if you ask. You can use discretion on that. Now, technology is key to managing this. With a proper database, you can ensure you're connecting with your professional referrals on a consistent basis, whether it's just saying hi or connecting about business matters. It's also key to track referrals, given versus actual referrals engaged. This is great information to ensure you're connecting with the right professionals. Referral reporting keeps you on track. It will also show you that your progress on referral leads and engagements is going up or going down versus what you're paying on advertising. Your goal is to always grow your referral business because that is the least expensive marketing you will ever gain. It also generates the most qualified leads because a happy client telling a trusted friend or family member is more powerful than someone reading a Facebook post and hoping you are a good firm for their legal needs. So if you do want to talk about developing a process to gain and track referrals in your office, schedule that free discovery meeting with us. We would love to hear about your weaknesses, strengths, and goals for the future, and where you are currently at with your gaining referral leads and engagements and tracking those. Then we can help you create a path to success with the use of a proper database and system with a process. Or maybe you just want to use your existing technology to its full potential to support you with your processes and referral sources. So schedule that free discovery meeting and set yourself up for real wins. We are certified with Lawmatics, Clio, and Actionstep. So in the next video in this series, we're going to talk about the right tool for the job and why a proper database is make or break for a firm. If you're using Excel or Word to track your information and stay on task, then you're probably wasting so much time that could be automated or simplified with a database, even if it costs your firm to implement that database. You don't want to miss that one, so watch for the email with the link coming up. I hope you found this to be a good use of a few minutes of your time. And again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our Tech Talk videos. Take care. Until next time.